Get down, someone's coming. Get down, hurry up, chill. Let's go.
Just left tennis camp and I'm about to climb this goal.
Wait, don't bust your butt. Oh my god. You mean to come? Should I come?
Yeah, just stay here.
I'm coming. I'm gonna get on from right here. I think it'll be cool if I got on from here. Can you catch my phone?
No.
Yeah.
Come down this way and I'll get it.
Okay, come on.
Here we go. Let's see if he'll make it. And he landed.
I'm dying. Is it recording still?
Yeah.
Whoa. Come on, let's go.
Whoa.
You're crazy. Get down, someone's coming. Get down, hurry up, chill. Let's go. Run, Becca, run. You'll stand on there, you're not scared? Come on, do it. It's not scary.
Tall tower. I want it to be Rapunzel, but not this time. Back down. Under a hideout. Which is actually just under the stairs. But anyway, it's pretty cool. Alright.
What are you gonna show them?
Hideout.
The
We have
what?
a secret hideout. Let's go find it.
Go.
And we're on our way to the secret. That's okay. Eel, mud. Eel. Down here, and we like to take our dog. And he loves to explore this place. You can go under branches. And you can also, there's a little trail of leaves that we use out, which is very cool. So we go out, and that's it. And this isn't the door to come in, because we've been all around the hideout. And that's it. First, we left tennis camp. Then, we climbed the school. After that, we went and sat on a bulldozer before anyone could catch us, I think. Anyway, and then we went to our secret hideout, which was awesome. We just got back home and it's time to go inside. Stay tuned, because I'm pretty sure we're gonna do a prank on someone. Hey guys, we decided to do the prank in another video that will be popping up soon. And please like and subscribe.